eyes, keep flying, keep dreaming, and never stop believing in your wings.
நடனத்தால் கண்களுக்கு வண்ணமூட்டிய வண்ணத்து பூச்சிகளுக்கு நன்றி.
When we educate and respect a woman, we educate and uplift a generation.
சீர்திருத்த மனம் படைத்த அறிவுள்ள பெண்களிடமிருந்துதான் சீர்திருத்த அறிவுள்ள செம்மல்கள் தோன்றக்கூடும். அவ்வகையில் இன்று எம் பள்ளி மாணவர்கள் நாடகத்தின் மூலம் பெண்ணின் வலிமையை உணர்த்த வருகிறார்கள்.
We have our students challenging us to take a stand and celebrate the uniqueness of each woman through their skit in English.
Be not afraid of greatness. Some are born great, some achieve greatness, and some have greatness thrust upon them. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Here we are to witness the beautiful, intelligent, and vicarious of Shakespeare to judge who is the greatest among them all. Ha 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 ha. Quiet, quiet, quiet. The honorable judge is coming. The honorable judge is coming. The honorable judge is coming.
All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. They will have their exits and entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. His acts being 7 ages, what is your suit now?
Your Honor, there is nothing, either good or bad, but thinking makes it so. Your Honor, here we have the gorgeous and the stunning heroines of Shakespeare who demand justice for their elegance.
Age cannot be without her, nor customs tale or infinite variety. Exclaimed by Antonio, such is the beauty of Cleopatra. Your Honor, she is the great queen of the kingdom of Egypt. She is one of the central characters in William Shakespeare's tragedy Antony and Cleopatra. Cleopatra, Cleopatra, Cleopatra.
I was a woman with beauty, intelligence, shrewdness, and charm. Men are slaves to my beauty. Your Honor, I am highly educated and skilled diplomat. Shakespeare has used me as powerful woman who can rule, conquer, and be victorious. I feel proud of my unique role, and I am the powerful, strongest woman in Shakespeare's recreation. I like to display the majesty of my kingdom. Come on, my dear ladies.
lost their wound.
Heartbeats fast, colors and
Love me or hate me, both are in my favor. If you love me, I will always be in your heart. If you hate me, I will always be in your mind. Your honor, may your judgment be favored to me that I am the great character in women among these characters.
Cleopatra, you are extremely good in making your point concrete. We do appreciate you and you have played your part well. But we have another character, ordinary yet extraordinary in her performance. Juliet, a woman known for pure love and sacrifice, enticed by Romeo and lived for him alone to the end.
Juliet, Juliet, Juliet.
Your Honor, let me get favor in your thought to debut on my part.
Yes, proceed.
Your Honor, I am a young girl bubbling with life. My tenderness and charm fascinated my dearest Romeo. I found his love true and pure. I fell in love with him. Oh, how beautiful were those days. Oh, Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou Romeo?
I will be brave. I will not let anything take. Heartbeats fast, colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you, darling. Don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 Time stands still, beauty and all she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away. Standing in front of me, every breath, every hour has come today.
My days with Romeo were the days intoxicated in love. Initially, I was presented as a innocent and obedient girl, but quickly I became a independent, brave and passionate woman. My impulsiveness and devotion to Romeo led to my tragic end. Your Honor, I am a person who is very bold and articulates all my emotions and feelings. I know I
find favor in your sight and be honored as the great woman. Yes, my bounty is as boundless as the sea. My love is deep. The more I give to thee, the more I have, for both are infinite.
For never was a story of more hoe than this Juliet and her Romeo. Well presented, oh gorgeous and romantic Juliet. We feel sad of her end, but you proved to be a determined woman. Well done, Juliet. I'm delighted to introduce a woman with valor. Played a vital role in Shakespeare's Macbeth. Welcome, dear lady.
Lady Macbeth, Lady Macbeth, Lady Macbeth.
Your Honor, I am the great Lady Macbeth, the wife of great warrior Macbeth. I desire not for great things, but what I deserve. My husband is a great man of hard work and a conqueror. One day, as I received the letter from my husband to become a next ruler, the pride came into my mind, the wickedness entered into my heart too. They met me in the day of success, and I have learned by the perfect report they have more in them than mortal knowledge. When I burned in desire to question them further, they made themselves air into which they vanished. Whilst all stood wrapped in the wonder of it, came missives from the king, who all hailed me, Zane of Cawdor, by which title before this weird sister saluted me and referred me to coming on off time. With hail, king that shalt be. This have I thought good to deliver thee, my dearest partner of greatness, that thou mightest not lose the dues of rejoicing, by being ignorant of what greatness is promised thee. Lay it to thy heart and farewell. Your Honor, I desire to win the crown. Yes, hell is empty and all the demons are here. A fool thinks he is a smart, but a smart knows he is a fool. I know how great I am. May your judgment be on my side, dear Lord.
O witty and artful Macbeth, we wonder at your argument. May you find mercy for your crafty ways. We have another woman of courage and determination who played a pivotal role in Merchant of Venice. Respected lady, you can proceed now.
Portia, Portia, Portia.
Your Honor, I am Portia, the central figure in Shakespeare, Merchants of Venice. I am celebrated for my intelligence, eloquence, and complexity. I stand out as one of Shakespeare's most dynamic female characters, blending traditional virtues with sharp wits and legal acumen. Shakespeare made me as a character who struggles between honoring my father's wishes and following my heart. Your Honor, Shakespeare made me as a realistic character. I know pretty well your judgment is going to favor me. The quality of mercy is not state. It draweth as a gentle rain from heaven upon the place beneath. It is a twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes.
To be or not to be? That is the question. It's very difficult to take a decision. Order, order, order.
In order to arrive at the proper solution, I have brought one more Shakespeare's woman character, the witch.
Wait.
As you said, I am also one of the famous woman character in Shakespearean plays. My creator, Shakespeare, has given me the power to speak with dead people. To give a right judgment, the creator has to be present. For your sake, may I bring the spirit of Shakespeare amidst us as to give the solution to this case. Please, the spirit of Shakespeare may come. Please, the spirit of Shakespeare may come. The spirit of Shakespeare may come.
How great it is to see all my powerful heroines together. Lady Macbeth, Portia, Juliet and Cleopatra. It is my pleasure to see all in this 21st century. What is the purpose of you bringing me here, oh witch lady?
Here is the judge who is in dilemma, who wants your help to give a judgment.
Judgment? What?
Yes, the acclaimed and the glorious writer of 16th century. Here are your creations, who played a main role and was praised for their unique and rare qualities. Now they demand justice and argue to be called as the best Shakespeare's women character.
The honorable ladies, it is not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. It is not the matter who is the best among you. You should understand that I give equal importance to each one of you. You are the best heroes of your own story and you have played your part well. To say the truth, because of you, the place become famous and celebrated by all. You are the best heroes of your own story. I have created all your characters to prove to the society how important you are and your parts in the life of the others, so that they respect women and honor them, knowing their worth. So dear ladies, enjoy your womanhood and celebrate it by giving your best. Always remember, my crown is called content, a crown that very few kings enjoy.
We need women who are so strong they can be gentle, so educated they can be humble, so fierce they can be compassionate, and so passionate they can be rational, and so free, so disciplined they can be free. Thank you. Scintillating